How to use Miro board for beginners. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I will guide you on how to use Miro board for beginners. Let us start by visiting mirror.com. You must be thinking about what Miro is, so let's reveal this first. Miro is an online collaborative whiteboard platform that allows individuals and teams to work together in real time, regardless of their physical location. It provides a digital canvas for ideation, brainstorming, project planning, and collaboration, making it a versatile tool for a wide range of creative and business purposes. To start using Miro, sign up by clicking on Sign Up Free in the top right corner. The sign up process is straightforward. You can enter your name, email address, and password. You can also continue with Google, Microsoft, and Slack. I recommend using the Google Sign option for added convenience with just a single click. Click on the Continue to Sign Up button. After signing up, you'll be prompted to answer a few questions, such as setting up your team and specifying the stream's name, and indicating whether you will use Miro for work, personal, or educational purposes. So add your team name first and continue. Then choose what kind of work do you do. You can select a relevant option from the drop-down menu. Next, select if you have ever used Miro before. Right below, you will need to select what will you use Miro for. Then, click on Continue to proceed further. After that, choose your role and provide relevant details. Also, select your company size. You will also need to select how you heard about Miro. Once done, proceed to set up and continue. Next, you can invite team members by entering their email addresses. You can also do this by copying the link and sharing it with your friends directly. Miro offers various templates based on different categories like product roadmap, workflow, competitive analysis, and task tracking and brainstorming, mind maps, and user journey mapping. These templates serve as starting points for various collaborative activities. You can either select a template or skip this step and explore the tool directly. Or you can click on any of them to continue. One of Miro's strengths is its ability to enable real-time collaboration. Multiple users can work on the same board simultaneously, allowing teams to brainstorm, discuss, and make changes in the moment. Upon completing the setup, you will find yourself in the Miro interface. Here, you can search for templates to get one from the suggestions. These templates cover a range of categories and can be customized based on your needs. Once you have selected a template, you will land on this page for customization. From the left panel, you can access various options including template, text, sticky notes, shape, connection line, pen, comments, and apps. Miro serves as a versatile organization tool offering features like project management, visual tools, and collaborative functionalities. The platform allows you to create, customize, and connect various elements within your projects. Go to Apps, and from here, you can either upload apps or have frame. It also allows you to use embed iframe code, icon finder, wireframe library, charts, diagramming shapes, sticker, and emojis and mind maps. You can add team members and create connections between them. Additionally, Miro offers interactive widgets like voting dots, timers, and more, adding a layer of engagement to collaborative sessions. You can also access these options from the top to get voting, estimation, and timer. Furthermore, Miro enables easy navigation and modification of your projects. From your bottom left corner, you can create frame. Just click here and you can create frame and activities. With Miro, you can edit team roles, names, and email addresses. The platform also supports the creation of lines, connecting different elements within your projects for a more organized structure. Miro's simplicity extends to collaborative features such as comments, notifications, and reactions. You can export your boards, save them as images or PDFs, and share them with your team directly. It has an additional option of Miroverse. Miroverse serves as Miro's collaborative playground where users can tap into a wealth of creative resources to elevate their collaborative endeavors. At its core, Miroverse is a collection of user-generated templates, ranging from project management, frameworks, to design thinking structures. These templates, crafted by the Miro community, empowers users to kickstart their projects with pre-designed layouts tailored to various use cases. You can also search for these templates by name, category, or company. It will give templates of different formats that you can use and customize and use for free. You just need to click on the Use button on your selected template. Once you have it, start your customization the way you want. From your bottom right corner, you can zoom in and zoom out. Now use this template for work management, and you can also share it with your team. You can add a range of widgets to your board, including sticky notes, shapes, text, and connectors. These widgets are highly customizable, allowing users to change colors, sizes, and other properties to fit the visual style of their projects. Miro enables users to organize content using frames and groups. Frames provide a structured way to present information, and grouping allows users to organize related elements together, enhancing the overall board layout. Here, you can customize the visual elements of this template, such as background colors, text formatting, and styling options. This helps create visually appealing and engaging collaborative spaces. For precise organizations, enable background grids. This feature assists in aligning and arranging objects on the board with precision, maintaining a clean and structured appearance. Miro integrates with various third-party applications and services, providing users with the flexibility to connect their Miro boards with tools they already use. This integration enhances customization by extending Miro's functionality. You can easily drag and drop all the tools available in its dashboard to use it on your board. It is very easy. You can also explore additional features in the settings menu, where you can adjust preferences, enable presentation mode, utilize voting and timer options, and even engage in chat and video chat functionalities. In conclusion, Miro offers a user-friendly and powerful platform for organizing projects, facilitating collaboration, and generating creative ideas. Feel free to explore the diverse templates, experiment with the tools, and make the most out of Miro's capabilities. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, goodbye.